What's going on, everybody? How's it going today? We've got our second BattlBox, so it's time to do a little unboxing and find out what comes in this box. Alright, here we go. On top right away we've got the mission briefing for 72. It's pretty good. BattlBox. Just to let you know up front, if you're interested in trying this out, I'll have a link down in the description that will take you to the BattlBox website and you can give it a shot. So in this book it'll tell me what the mission is for the basic box, which is what I have here, and then it'll also tell me what I would have gotten if I would have gotten the boxes above this one, which is the advanced box and the pro box and then the Pro Plus box, and I'll explain those to you briefly. Whatever. Alright, so let's just start out with the best thing right away this time, right? Because last time I made you guys wait for me to show you what I was getting, but we're just going to get right into it here. So this is pretty cool because usually you do not get a knife in the BattlBox, or that's what it seems like anyway. I think I've seen one other one before I was signed up that did come with a knife, but I feel like it's fairly rare. So this is from a company called Revolt Knives, and it's the Raptor survival knife. I did look up the price on this one, and it's about 29 bucks. Which just happens to be the price of the basic box. So right away we've kind of got our value. So as long as the other items in this box are around $10 or so, then it covers shipping and handling as well, so you get your value's worth out of it. I wouldn't say I'm a knife guy. I like knives, but I'm not a collector or anything. I'm not a knife enthusiast. So this is nice because I think a lot of neck knives come with like the chain kind of thing. This one comes with paracord, but it's not actually just paracord, it's fire cord. In the center of this paracord is a bit of a red cord, and what that red cord can be used for is fire starter. So this is actually fire cord, which is kind of cool. And they've got this set up on a sort of a slip knot system, so you can actually put it around your head and then adjust it, right? Tighten it down to the length that you want it to be. I've never actually carried a neck knife, but I think I will try carrying this around, especially when I'm out camping and things like that. I don't know if it'll be an everyday kind of accessory, but I would like to experiment with the idea of carrying a neck knife. Just because no matter what, if you're used to carrying it, then you've always got a knife with you, even if you forget your pocket knife or whatever. Fits very snugly inside this little Kydex holder. That's a nice little Kydex holder. So this is just a short blade knife. It's got a nice weight to it though. It feels good. It feels pretty good in my hand as well. And it feels pretty sharp. Maybe that's why they put this bubble package in here. It's pretty not bad. Alright. Yeah, feels pretty good. So that's cool. A little neck knife in the mission box. I like it. I like that idea. I was talking to my buddy Skid Pig from Australia. He does a lot of fishing and crab fishing and things like that. In case you haven't heard of his channel yet, it's worth checking out. He was saying he's never carried a neck knife either, but he thinks it might be handy for in the boat because it's just always right there. If you have something you need to cut real quick, fishing line or cord or opening a package or whatever, it's just right there on your neck. So very convenient. Especially if you're wearing, you know, if you're wearing some shorts or something that doesn't always have a heavier pocket, or maybe it doesn't have a pocket at all, but sometimes these clips, like the one on my knife, is not very secure. So if you've got a thin material for your pocket, this is not going to work very well at all. So it is nice. Nice idea to have a neck knife. I'm excited about that if you can't tell. Alright, so next up in the kit, here's what we have. These are oral rehydration salts. So this isn't something extremely exciting to get in a mystery box. I don't feel like it's not really something I can play with and use and enjoy. There's 3 of them in here. So you could pack all 3 of them into a bigger survival kit if you wanted to. Won't take up a ton of space, whatever, but these you just add to a bottle of water, and if you do get severely dehydrated on one of your excursions or whatever situation you find yourself in, you're able to just add these to some water and use them for hydration. So these are from Oral, dehydration, travel, hiking, extreme activity, outdoor labor, dehydration. And these have no artificials, colors, flavors, or preservatives. So it's not really going to be like a Gatorade or a sports drink kind of thing. It's going to be like, if you need to get rehydrated, have these in your kit. I've never tried anything like this, so it's cool. I probably would have never even thought about buying something like this. But this is the case for a mystery box. You never know what you're going to get from month to month. I don't know a lot of knots and things like that, so this would be kind of a handy little thing. Basically, it's like sort of credit card size, whatever, and it just peels out like this. 2, 3, 4, 5 cards on this little deal. So it's compact enough where you could definitely carry it around in a bag or whatever, but what it tells you how to tie different knots. It gives you a little example at the top what the knot is used for, how it's used, and then a diagram and instructions on how to tie it. So it's kind of a neat little idea, especially for somebody. I'm not a Boy Scout. Gavin was in Cub Scouts for a little while. We didn't get to the knot tying stuff, so I do like this. I do. And it comes with a little carabiner, so you could clip it onto something if you wanted to, but I might just keep it with my camping gear, or just have it with to study. Read about how to make different knots, practice. Grab some paracord, practice tying some different knots and using them. So that's pretty cool. So that was the basic box. Let's take a look and see what we would have gotten if we stepped up to the advanced box. In the advanced box this month, there is an adventure medical kit, Mountain Series backpacker medical. And in the pro box, there's a Cali Loha ultralight camping chair. And then for the Pro Plus box, which is basically their knife of the month club, this steps up in dollars quite a bit to get up to this one. But the Pro Plus box is their highest tier box. What we would have gotten this month is a Palawan blade, a Bakuku style knife, which is a pretty multi-purpose knife. It's kind of like a machete, but there's also other uses for it. And that's pretty cool. In their video for this month, they actually had the inventor of this blade, or the creator of this blade, come on camera and explain why it's designed the way it is, how he came up with the idea, the uses, and things like that. It was pretty informative, and I'll link to their video down in the description below in case you want to check that out. You've been watching these last couple videos where I've done the unboxing for the BattlBox. Let me know in the comments down below if you're enjoying them, if you're interested in the BattlBox. It's kind of a testing thing for me for this channel, just to kind of see how it goes over. If it starts gaining momentum and people are enjoying watching them, then I may continue doing them, but it just kind of depends. It's got to be worth it for me, and it's got to be worth it for you guys, because you guys are the reason that I can do these videos and keep the content coming. So just kind of a new monthly series that I'm trying out, and it gives me some cool gadgets and gear to use when we're out doing camping trips and motorcycle touring and motorcycle travel and things like that. I'm into gadgets. I'm a gadget guy. I love this kind of stuff, so that's why I really wanted to try it, and I wanted to put it on the channel and be able to share it with you guys. Also, if you're curious why we went from mission 69 to mission 72, and you're like, where's the videos for 70, 70, and 71? Well, here's the deal. I signed up towards the end of December, right? So that was after mission 70 had been sent out. When I initially signed up, I was able to pick what box I wanted out of like maybe the previous 3 battle boxes or whatever it was. And I was able to see the contents of each of those boxes. I was really interested in trying out these Zippo Typhoon matches, which I'll have a link for these specifically down in the description as well, because these are really, really cool. And I kind of showed them off in my last BattlBox video. But because of that, I wanted to pick mission 69. Got that mission 69 early January. That skipped mission 71, which was January's box. Now here we are in February with mission 72, February's box. So now as I continue, I'll get them on a monthly basis without missing a beat. If you haven't seen mission box number 69 yet, my last mission box unboxing, you can check out this video right here. Stay safe out there as always. I thank you very, very much for tuning in, for checking out this BattlBox unboxing video, and we will catch you in the next one.